We're putting on what they call the rocker tube on the big old circular sawmill. We called those the dogs that held the log in place. It was quite a different mechanism. I printed out the diagram large so I don't have to wear my glasses, and it appears we bolt these with the pipe between them, this thing on the pipe. So let's see if we can lay this out in order. Okay, this side is where the log rolls over, so the point has to go into the log. We got two choices on this, which way to go. I'm doing this upside down for you, but well, I'll do it here. This goes this way with the set in there and the set in there. Nope, it's set in, oh, there's both sides. So, goes inside. Yes. It's kind of loose in there. But that looks about what it looks like on the picture. So to start it, we put one end with the bolts holding the thing in. And we use the same bolts that were on the track itself. We had extras of those, and that's what they're for, obviously. It's just about 40 degrees outside, so it's really quite a bit better than when I started putting it together at 15. Now we have to set that over there. I'm going to go over here. Set this one into the end. One nut. I'm going to have to go look for some more if there are. Okay, I tightened the end things up, and it shows one here to set the far out, and then one here, I guess, to hold it in place, maybe. Okay, I see, to slide it. So if you want a big log or a little log, you can set that there. That was pretty easy.